Now we'll see how to make different scroll shape such as C scroll, B scroll, heart scroll, S scroll. Now we are showing how to make C scroll. It's nothing but the same as making of a semi-tight coil. So make a semi-tight coil and don't seal the other end, and rather you take out the other end a little bit like shown, and simply C scroll is ready. C scroll is not only C scroll, all the scroll is nothing but the extension of semi-tight coil. Now we'll make B scroll. Take a strips, fold it from the middle, and now make two semi-tight coil the outerwards. This is important to make semi-tight coil from the both the end in the direction of outerwards as shown in this demo. It is very simple. So you can press a little bit as per the thickness of paper. Your V scroll is ready. Basically this all scroll is required for different type of decoration purpose, decorating. It may be useful for any flowers pattern or in front of mouth of butterfly, like this. Similarly, now we will make heart scroll. It is same as C's V scroll. Only things you have to make two tight coil on both the semi-tight coil on both the end innerwards. Important thing is innerwards. Earlier in B scroll we have make two semi-tight coil in the direction of outerwards. Here simply we will make two semi-tight coil in innerwards, and we can adjust the fold a little bit. I can adjust the shape. Now the heart scroll is ready. Now we'll see how to make S scroll. S scroll is nothing but extension of C scroll. Means from both the end we will make two semi-tight coil in opposite direction. Means in one side if we make a semi-tight coil with the using of almost half of the strip in clockwise, then the other half will make the semi-tight coil in anti-clockwise. So it's not a very difficult things. You have to do it accordingly, and this naturally it will look like a S shape. So we have seen how to make different type of scroll shape. Similarly, we can make a lot of type of scroll shape or any other basic shape as required in the quillings. Thank you.